Hello, I'm Philip and welcome to Ort Darski Incredible Machine. Our introduction. In our school there is a pre-medicine course that aim is to cause students to select the lane of science in their high school. The plastic sticking influenced us and we thought that the machine seemed with an emergency room. In the end, the patient is given to a treatment because he waits too long and becomes a skeleton. Our step list. When a loud sound is heard by the robot, he starts to move. The robot drags a plastic screen. The screen reveals a lamp. The light from the lamp hits a solar panel. The solar panel activates a crane that releases a ball. The ball slides on the sleeping rod. At the end of the rail, the ball closes an electric circle. The electric circle activates an arm with a needle. The needle pops a balloon. The rail falls on the compressed string. A wooden cart set in motion. The cart pulls the brake. The brake releases the wheel. The wheel is spinning due to the basket with weight falls down. The marbles that are attached by the tube to the wheels drop to a rail. The ball moves through the rail. At the end there is motion sensor. The sensor detects movement and activates the robot with a needle. The robot pops a balloon. On the balloon there is a weight. The weight drops at the ground, pulling the string. The string is attached to a fastener. The fastener releases a fishing string. The fishing string is attached to a lever. At the other end, the lever holding the testing tube with acetone. The acetone drips a styrofoam cup. With a chemical reaction, the cup is melting. The balls in the cup are falling on the plastic set of rails with the balls between them. At the end of the set of the rails, the ball hits the barrier. The barrier is attached to a lever. The lever pulls a stopper. A wind barrier is falling and letting the wind blow. The wind hits the sail. The sail moves a boat on the wheels. The boat hits the dominoes. The dominoes, which are covered with aluminium, follow one another. They close an electric circle that activates a motor that rolls the string. The string is dragging a Pasco cart. The cart hits a lever that transforms the kinetic energy directions. The lever hit the dominoes that fell till the last two and covered with steel wood. An electric circle is closed. A crane that holds a finger drops on the specific letter in a keyboard. It is activate a program that we made to control the robotic arm. The robotic arm pastes the plaster on the skeleton.